more about meervoud. I have a few examples for you for Afrikaans meervoud or plurals, and I would like you to perhaps pause the screen, see if you know what the answers are, and I will give you the right ones just now. So I'll give you 5 seconds just to pause the screen. When you're done, I'm going to give you the answers. Good. So let's have a look. My pa se nuwe kar het 5 ratte. That's the simplest one that we can get in Afrikaans. Remember that for ratte, it's a short A, so we double the consonant. Okay, I'm going to make it nice and big so that you can see. Band becomes bande. And then we have stuk. It's the same principle there. Stukke. Then ons het al 4 die kamermure. So remember, if it's a double U or 2 long vowels, we're going to leave one or get rid of one and just add an E. So let's see. Ons het al 4 die kamermure geverf. Ek het hierdie vakansie die skooltake. It's the same principle. Skooltake. Baie skooltake om te doen. Daar is 3 vlye. So it's an E and an I. So we're just going to add a E again there. Vlye en baie bome. Again, the second rule that we had in the previous video. Die kinders klim teen die talle duine. Oops, not duim, duine. Van Cape Vidal uit. Jan Serfontein het alweer 2 drieë. So that's a try. 'n drieë teen die All Blacks gedruk. Now remember here, if you have an E, remember that you have to have an and the sound comes with what we call a deelteken. If you know about German, it's like a umlaut. So you put it on top, it's a deelteken. Die uil gebruik sy reuse kloue om die muise in die skuur te vang. So you just add E when you have mixed vowels, eh? Then naam, that's rule 1 again, name. Maar gesigte. So remember gesig, you add a TE. So it's gesigte. Very good. Daar is 3 vrae, get rid of the G, in this case also get rid of the A, and just add a E. Vrae. En my meisie het die mooiste oë. Oops, Rosie. Oë in die wêreld. Now I just realized I'll have to make one here. There we go. There's the oë. Good. How did you do? Those were the first 11. Let's go to the next ones. I'm going to leave it here and pause it. You can pause a little bit, see if you can do them, and I'll give you the answers just now. Good. Die meeste kombuise het baie vliee. So we get rid of the G and we add that apostrophe. Ag, not apostrophe, die deelteken on the E. Die 2 meisies lê op hulle rug. Now here again, what you need to remember is that rug needs to stay a. And in order to do that, we have to change it to a kappie. So we have a that's a kappie, and then a E. Oor 2 dae, get rid of the G and just add a E. Dae gaan ons vrugte. When it's a G at the end for this one, we add a TE. Very good. My ouma gebruik 2 sif. Get rid of the F and then you're going to have a WE. So we're going to have sive. Good. And look at the next one. Die hoofbesluit oor verskeie strawwe. It's the same thing here. Strawwe. Lang gelede het mense duif. Get rid of the F and just add a W and a E. So it's duive. Om brief, to brief becomes briewe. Get rid of the F and just add a W and a E. Now we get to the apostrophes, hey? So if the accent is on the A, like pa, ma, then we'll get an apostrophe. Ma, just move them a little bit, otherwise we won't have enough space for all these beautiful words coming up. Oma doesn't need an apostrophe because it's omas. It's oma. And then opas. And then daar is twee besigheid. Can you remember the heid? Heid becomes hede. So besighede wat kameras verkoop. Kameras verkoop. Also no apostrophe there. My oma hou haar dier piering. We just add a S. So it becomes pierings. Vir belangrike gaste. Ek kan nie woorde, we just add a E, vind om al die prente, again we just add a E, te beskryf nie. Can you remember bed and butt? Yes, you can. Remember bed and butt have the similar, bed becomes beddens, and butt becomes buddens. Die groep nooiets. There we go. Wag by die hawe. Vir die skepe om in te kom. So a nooi is a girl, or it could also be a girlfriend. Die twee vrou, so it becomes vroue, we just add a E. And a graf, we're going to add a T and a E there, ne? Grafte. Die meeste leerling, this one doesn't get a S, hey? Leerlinge, hou daarvan om tydskrifte te lees. There we go. So leerlinge is a little bit of an exception. Tydskrifte, good. Can you remember what waar becomes? Waar becomes waans. So we're going to write vang, waans. And maat becomes maats. Because if you make it mate, it's actually something to measure with. So that's not going to work. Ek probeer die vlakke. I want to get the stains uit my skoolhemp. This is another exception. Although it ends with a P, in plural it gets a D and an E. So remember that one. It's a definite exception. And I've seen them a lot in question papers. Die twee kinders, speel met verskillende speelgoed. Can you remember we looked at a ding en 'n goed? Then al die lid, this one is lede, ontmoet vanaand hulle in verskeie stede. Good. En my paar skoene is vol gate. There you go. And if you could do this, you are well away to do all the meervoud or the plurals for Afrikaans. Good luck. I know you can do this.